Welcome back to the Legal Brief, the show where we crush the various legal myths and misinformation surrounding various areas of the gun world. I'm your host, Adam Kraut, and today we're heading down to the bluegrass state to talk about its recently passed constitutional carry. SB Tactical, the originator of the pistol stabilizing brace, set the bar for innovation and product development in the PDW pistol category. From the insanely popular SB-M4 to the adjustable SB-A3 and even kits for pump-action firearms, SB Tactical braces are available for a wide variety of firearm platforms in fixed, adjustable, and side-folding models. To get 15% off your legally transported and carried pistol braces, use the code TGC15 over at sb-tactical.com. Now, before we get started, let's talk about what constitutional carry actually means. Generally, when referring to constitutional carry, people mean the ability to carry a firearm either openly or concealed without having to obtain a permit from the state. Sometimes it's referred to as permitless carry. It's kind of a reference to your constitutional right to bear arms without needing permission from the government, if you will. Constitutional carry has grown in popularity over the past few years and has been found introduced in legislation all over the country. Last month, Kentucky Governor Matt Bevin signed SB 150 into law, making Kentucky the 16th state to allow constitutional carry. Prior to the governor signing the bill into law, Kentuckians could lawfully open carry a firearm without a permit, but were required to obtain one if they wished to conceal carry. The new law added the following language. Persons aged 21 or older and otherwise able to lawfully possess a firearm may carry concealed firearms or other concealed deadly weapons without a license in the same location as persons with valid licenses issued under Kentucky law. However, as you probably guessed, that isn't without limitation. SB 150 also added language to make it clear that the law did not allow for the carrying or possession of a firearm or other deadly weapon in any place prohibited by federal law. The restrictions imposed on Kentuckians as to the location they could lawfully carry within the state also remained. While constitutional carry allows for anyone who is not prohibited from obtaining a concealed deadly weapons permit to carry without one, the law surrounding the process to obtain a permit has not been struck. This is not without good reason. For those who travel, reciprocity is something that a number of us look to. A lot of times, states require that the individual has a valid, issued permit from the state in which they reside in order to carry in the state that's being visited. So for now, Kentuckians may want to get a permit anyway, at least if they're planning on leaving their state and carrying in another. So, if you're 21 or older and living in Kentucky, you no longer need to obtain a permit in order to lawfully conceal carry within the state, assuming you'd be eligible to receive a permit. However, state or federal restrictions that exist in relation to where you can carry or possess a firearm still remain. And that makes me wonder, what does the TGC audience, you guys, think about constitutional carry? Is this something that should be reserved to the states, or should the federal government address the issue in some fashion? Let me know down in the comments below. That's it for this episode. If you learned anything from the show, help us out, hit that like button, make sure you share it around with your friends. Don't forget to get subscribed if you enjoyed the video, consider supporting us via the links down in the video description. And as always, thanks for watching.
Go ahead, do your thing, dance monkey!
This week on the Legal Brief, constitutional carry is... Oh, wait, no.
Yeah, see?
This week...
You can't even get the outtakes right.
I'll just go be sad over here in the corner. This week on the Legal Brief, constitutional carry is brought to you by Bye.